Hi everyone, it's Kathy Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 10 by 10 inch canvas that has some black on it, and I also have a 12 by 16 inch over there, and I'm going to do a reverse swipe, and I have the bottom of a lemonade, we call it. I guess you guys call them soda. I don't know. But I've got the bottom of it there. And I'm just going to start. I have yellow, orange, red, gold, black and white. And I intend having a very pretty painting, I hope. And some gold, I think. I think red and gold go lovely together. Might need a bit more on you. What about you? You don't look good either. Okay. Some white. Tad of black. And I might finish it off with some yellow. Making sure everybody has some yellows. I don't care if they're not exactly even. Which is good. There's no silicone in any of the colours. None. I decided against using any of that. So I think that's dribbled down a fair bit. There's a little bit more to dribble out here. Yep. Just get the last of it off. Oops. Alright. Well, that's quite pretty. I'm going to use the red knife. I might just do a little bit of black there, and then using this knife, do this. Okay, that's good. That's really quite pretty. I'm going to put a dot of red in the middle though. There we go. Right. Now to get this fellow on. Come here. This bloke has black paint on him as well. And let me see. Down a smidgen. That might be about right. I'll just put this tray up. And I will dab to lift. Ooh, that one didn't turn out so hot, did it? Oh well, it's worth a try. You go over there, do something with you in a minute, but you are right pretty. Too much paint on there, that's what the problem is. And you one, so. Let's see what happens. Squeezing some of the paint off rather than tilt. Alright. Oh, it's not easy. Okay. Oh, so that's much nicer. Not the best, but it's getting there. And this bloke still has a ton of paint. Alright, I'll just tip it onto here. I'm sorry if you can't see this, but there's far out too much paint. There we go, quickly. Alright. Now, as you can see, it's really quite pretty. What about you? I'm just emptying the paint out onto this one. Just going to go over the edge here a bit. And I think what I'll do with this one is put more colour on it and swipe it. But this one is really rather pretty, and I'm going to wipe my hands off and torch it because I've got air bubbles. So the recipes for these paints and pouring mediums you'll find below, show more under the video. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across there and join us. And I'll just turn this on. So I did get a couple of cells, itty bitty ones, and I think they're from the Floetrol. They have to be. I didn't put any OGX in this, so just making sure the corners have got plenty. They pop out and bite you later. Okay, so if you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Just ring the little bell and I'll bring you down to have a look. If you ring the little bell or click on the little bell next to the word subscribe, then you'll be notified as I put up videos into YouTube. And this is part one, I guess. And it's really quite pretty. So here we go. Don't know where that sort of greeny colour went. I only put yellow, red and orange in there, but hey, look at that. It's probably mixed with the black, but I don't mind. Alright, So this is part one. I'll just go ahead and do this other one in a second, and that can be part two. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.